Welcome to Emilee's Paper Caper. I'm Emilee and I love to rubber stamp, scrapbook, junk journal, and make cards. Today is Stamping Sunday. This is an open collaboration hosted by Thelma Hall and Paula from Craftin' by the Pond. It's also Stamp Play. This is another open collaboration where you do anything with stamps and share it. Stamp Play is hosted by Susan's Heartstrings. In a recent Happy Mail package sent to me by Thelma, I received this Stamp Around the Page starter kit. It's a Martha Stewart kit, and I've been learning how to use it. There are two sets in this starter kit. One is like a foliage, leaves, and the other is some butterflies. I went ahead and did the leaves to give you an idea of what this looks like. And these are 8x8 pages. This stamp set will work with 8x8, 12x12, 6x6, 4x6. I just followed the directions. It'll also do 6x8. Let's do the vine now. There, that's lining up better. nice. So pretty. I'm working on a couple more baby books for baby girls, and I think these will be beautiful pages to use in those books. A couple of 8x8 albums. There. Doesn't that look cool? It'll be very pretty for a scrapbook page. Maybe a title page of the album. Got a couple smudges, but I'll probably add embellishments or something to cover that up. You can see on the other side I was not getting things lined up quite right. So things like this just take a little practice and then you get the hang of it. I'm going to have a lot of fun with this set. Thanks for sending it to me, Thelma. Be sure to check the hashtag Stamping Sunday and Stamp Play to see what everyone else is doing with their stamps this week. Keep on scrapping, stamping, and paper crafting.